Murray's Bay is a nice beach, but it's better known for its sailing club, which has been operating here for many years. Murray's Bay Sailing Club is the most successful sailing club in New Zealand and has produced more America's Cups and World Champion and Olympic sailors than any other club in the country. Like all successful clubs, numbers are increasing here, junior sailors, so the club has had to expand its facilities to cope with this influx of junior sailors. So we're just looking here at a new building at the back, which is just being constructed here. Underneath here is storage, so everything's got to be kept nice and dry and no water getting in there. The boats, which are mainly Optimist and P-Class and Starlings for juniors, will be hauled up through here, and then they'll come up here onto this ramp and then back up onto this area up the top. Now the area up the top not alone has to be waterproof, but it has to be robust, because there's going to be lots of trolleys and brackets and masts and all sorts of stuff. It's going to be put on it, so it needs to be able to withstand that sort of treatment. We've just started putting Neuchatel Mastic Ashphalt, which is the most robust waterproofing system in New Zealand. It is 20mm thick, and we're just in the process of doing the detail work now. So in the next couple of days all the main areas will be done. This is Quentin. He's working on the detail, the upstands, just putting the second layer on. So this will be completed. Just above him you'll see a chase where a metal flashing will be fixed, so it'll look nice and tidy and beautiful finish. Here we've got Leto. Leto is a highly skilled ashphalter, trained in England, City and Guilds, and top class tradesman.